Good morning everyone. Today is the last day of our Power BI workshop and there is so many different topics given by sir according to you what you want to make and make dashboard according to you. So I have selected a healthcare domain which I made a interactive dashboard about healthcare center. As you can see that there is so many important things in data like KPIs. So the first we have to make important KPIs for the any database. So I make four important KPIs like sum of revenue, sum of operating cost, annual patient visit in the hospital, and after that I make a graph which shows which city is the most visit in the hospital, and there is so many graphs I made, and also a line graph which shows the revenue high, in which city revenue is so high and in which city operating cost is so high. Like you can see that there is the TX state which have more operating cost, and after that I make bar graph which shows the which doctor have visited more patient. And talking about this Power BI workshop, this Power BI workshop has been conducted very well by Praveen sir, and not only he taught about the basics, he also taught about advanced function like DAX, new measures, and how to create hierarchy and many things which really help in our future. Like you can see that Power BI skills is more demand in market, so it's really helpful in getting job and placed in a good place and good industry. And Power BI is not demand in IT sector, it's also demand in banking sector, healthcare sector, and IT sector. So Power BI skills is very important for everyone which is in graduations or any sectors. Thank you from all.